Hello guys! For now, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Question AI at kung paano ito gagamitin. First of all is punta tayo sa Play Store and search natin Question AI. Question AI. Ito siya guys. And click install. Ito siya ma-install. And paka-install is open natin siya. Pwede siyang camera, pipicture nyo yung sulat nyo at magkaka-generate na yan ng question at mag-answer ang AI. Translate, text solution, yan. Question AI. Oops. Yan. What is Question AI? A platform designed to provide AI-powered answer to user queries. The service aims to offer accurate, helpful responses based on its training data and the context of the question asked. And try natin siya guys. Ito. Who is Question AI? Created by the company Question, founded by Zachary M. Heller. Ganito siya guys. Pipicture kayo ng isang question na sinulat nyo at isasagot yan ng AI. And ganun lang guys. And kung magano kayo guys dito, pwede kayo mag-type. Yan. Tinanong ko, what is the color of the sea? The color of the sea is blue. And we have explanation. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you for